Hi and welcome to Adventure, Bushcraft, and Survival. I'm going to do a quick video today covering a few of the Spyderco locking blade knife offerings. And it's a set of knives, and I'll show you in a second. They are phenomenal and they are budget friendly for sure and cover all the bases as far as I'm concerned of what you would want in a folding knife. Stay tuned. Here we are. So check this out. These are 3 folding knives. They're part of the exact same line of Spyderco knives. And believe it or not, you can get any one of these 3 offerings for under 60 bucks. Now on the website, I think it's showing this one, which is called the Resilience, at about 69. But I guarantee I did not pay that for it. I don't know exactly what I paid for it, but it was right around 50 bucks, maybe 50 couple. But you know, if you go on like Amazon or eBay, especially if you're a little bit patient, you could save a little money if you feel like that. But even at 60 bucks, this is a dream. And this one is called the Tenacious, I believe. Yes, this one's the Tenacious. So we got Resilience, Tenacious, Ambitious, and there's another one that's in between these two that's called the Persistent. And I thought I had it, but I dug around through my stuff and I don't think I do. But if I see it at a show or something, I probably end up buying it just because I love these. And you know, the one I carry the most is actually this little guy. I mean, it's got like a little 2.5-inch blade, the Ambitious. And this thing, man, fits in anything, goes anywhere, does anything. It's a mean little folder. It's got, you can mount this left, right, tip up, tip down, and this surface is G10, but man, it feels an awful lot. I don't know, it's however they textured it or whatever. It feels an awful lot like micarta, which is probably one of my favorite blade materials. So getting this for like the mid to upper 30s, mid to upper 40s, and just over 50 bucks is right around the price range. You know, this stainless steel is, it's actually 8CR13 MOV, which is a fairly resistant and, you know, hard steel. But, you know, to be honest with you, as long as I feel confident that it's a strong steel and I know the Spyderco name and I know they don't use cheap steels, and I've used these knives, I'm good with it. You know, I don't get into the I'm not in the game of inches, right? So you could get into steels and be like, you know, what about this, or what about that, or what about this? I like a good hard steel, but I just don't get into that debate too much. But I will say this, so, you know, this is probably $100 and, you know, something dollars worth of knives right here. And I bought another Spyderco. This is called the Firefly. And I think I paid as much for this one little knife. And don't get me wrong, it's a good knife. This is like some kind of carbon fiber. This is micarta, the Firefly. But I literally paid for this knife what I paid to have this entire little collection here. So, you know, not budget friendly. Cool. You know, I think there's an element with this of pride of ownership, but it's only got, you know, you only got tip up, tip down on this side to choose from as far as your clip options. You know, these ones, it's much, you know, there are more options, there's more everything. If somebody walked right up to me and said, is this worth it? When you know that these exist, I would say buy any one of these 3 immediately. You know, and just leave this for somebody else. Or if you need to buy something for the person who has everything, maybe go with the Firefly. But man, these are awesome. I just wanted to do a quick video on that. And yeah. Hey, well, I hope you got something out of that. And, you know, I really am a big fan of these Spyderco knives and the whole Spyderco line. I mean, they make top-notch gear. And, you know, their folders, not particularly lightweight, and I don't care. I don't mind knowing that it's there. So please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you.